Go check on the animals. Wet morning. There's the cats. Just hanging out. Just laying down eating. Lazy eating, huh, Cooper? Let you guys out in a second. What are you doing, Charlie? Huh? Watching the cats? I kind of see ya. Hi, Wesley. You guys ready to go out? It's wet out. All right, let's go.